What's up guys? Probably you have heard about this objects on path tool inside Adobe Illustrator 2025, but maybe you hadn't given it a try because you are still asking yourself, where can I use this tool? So in this video we're going to open so many creative doors by using this one tool, objects on path tool. And at the end of this video I'm going to break down how I have made this simple project inside Adobe Illustrator by using only this one tool, objects on path tool. And if you're curious enough, you can see here in the layers I've used only 7 layers to create this beautiful and nice looking project. So let me don't waste your time and let us use this document here as our playground. So the first good thing about objects on path tool is effortless objects alignment. So let us try to draw here a simple rectangle just like this one, and let us select some symbol. I'm going to use this butterfly symbol, so I'll copy this one and paste it over here, and I'm going to copy and paste it. So I'll be hitting Control C and F to paste it in front, just to multiply it like this one. And after copying and paste it like that one, I'm going to select these butterflies. After selecting this one, I'm going to hit now this object on path tool, and I'm going to just click the path like this one, and boom, objects are automatically aligned around our rectangle like that one. So, and the other good thing about objects on path tool is you can control the spacing of objects along your path. So this button here, you can use it to, you can just click and drag, and there you are, you can control their spacing around the path. It's very good, very interesting like this one. So that's the second good thing. And another good thing of this one is real-time update and flexibility. For instance, if I want to change the path, maybe I don't want rectangle anymore, so as I'll be transforming the path, as I'll be changing the path, and these objects around the path are going to change with the path. So let us try to do something. So I'm going to add some anchor points over here like that one. Add one anchor point over there, and I want to add another anchor point over here. So I'm going to transform this path by moving these two anchor points, and let us see how these objects around the path are going to change with the path. I select this anchor point and try to move, and boom, you can see how things are turning out, how these objects are moving around the path. And I'm going to select also the other anchor point and try to move it like this one. You can look how things are turning out like this one. So this is the good thing about objects on path tool. You can use this for creating some decorative borders or whatever, or you can create a pattern, something like that. So let us try to use this to see how things are going to turn out if we try to create a decorative border around this shape over here. So I'm going to select here symbols, and I want to find flowers here like this one, and I'm going to use this flower here. So I'll copy this one, paste over here, and I'll do the same. I'll be hitting Control C, Control F to copy and paste it in front. Okay, I'm going to select this flower symbol over here, and just like we did before, I'm going to select this objects on path tool, and there I just hit this path, and boom, we have aligned this, we have created this nice decorative borders around our shape by using just a single click. So it's very nice. Not only can objects follow a path, but you can control their orientation, keep them straight or have them rotate naturally along the curve. Look at this one. When I try maybe to rotate them along the path, I can use this over here to rotate them. You can see how are they rotating along the path. So with just a single click, you're going to change everything in your designing, so it's real effortless. So you can see how you can adjust even a single object's position, or you can move one object like this one, or you can move all of them along the path. So you have full control of everything in your design. And this objects on path tool is versatile across design applications, so you can use it in designing logos, infographics, user interface element, or anything requiring perfectly aligned objects. So like that one. And As I've told you before that at the end of this video, I'm going to break down how I have made this one, and for sure you now can realize that I've just used this one shape and I've made decorative borders along the path like that one. You can see here in layers that the first layer was just a background layer. When you try to turn off this background layer, then this is what we have made. And after this one, you can see we have these objects that I've put them along the outer path. So just like that, when you try to turn off this one, you can see only objects are like that one, just along the first path. And here above, we have these ones also. When we try to open this one, you can see we have these flowers along the path. And the same when we try to turn off this one, then we're going to remain with only flowers along the path. And also we have this one shape also with these flowers around, so we can do the same and try to turn off this the main path just like this one, then boom, we have our thing like that one. So you can see how things have turned around by just using one tool, objects on path tool, and there we are. You can try to put it like this one and you have fun of it. So give it a try for yourself and see how things are going to turn out in different trials. So what do you think? Are you excited to try it out? Let me know in the comments and hit that like, subscribe button if this helped. Please have a nice designing and see you guys in the next video.